situation.
Did you have any idea of the percentage of seeds that came from England versus, Europe versus that which came from Africa or the Caribbean that influenced this garden? Any sense at all of that?
Well, it would be highly English. It would be high English, and not a whole lot from the Caribbean. Remember, in North America, there was only one indigenous vegetable. The Jerusalem artichoke, which is not
that plant right over there?
That's a real artichoke.
Okay.
Jerusalem artichoke is really a sunflower.
Okay.
And you're eating the tuber.
Interesting.
But all the other things, such as beans that we say the Indians had, they were actually from Central America and South America.
Yeah.
Same thing with tomatoes, peppers, all of these things, squashes.
Okay.
So the Indians, they were not indigenous to North America.
Okay.
They were to
well, even if you were to break it down to this garden and plants that are indigenous to the Americas versus Europe versus Africa, any idea of the percentage here? How would it break down?
Still say, see, if we do it that way, then all of your beans, all of your squashes, all of your tomatoes, all of your peppers, you could say they were. So that would be, I would guess maybe 40%.
Oh, from the Americas.
Yeah.
And then
everything else was from. It may not have originated in England, but come to us from England.
But there's some more recent research that came out by Elizabeth Carney that talks about African influence on American foodways. And I certainly know enslaved people don't come until more like 17th century, 1700s. Yeah. So maybe at this point where you guys have it here is very little influence from Africa, probably.
Well, but where Africa contributed so much is the cooking. They showed us the proper way to cook a lot of these things, and so I'm sure some of that came as much as the actual vegetable.